Women Press and Protest gave us an opportunity to look at hidden history in archives throughout India of a period that had been neglected previously. Basically, it's looking at how women used newspapers in periods of protest, in this case colonial protest for independence, and in doing so increased their importance in the public sphere. Jane Chapman, Professor of Communications. The impact on the work has been twofold. It's contributed to an understanding of the relationship between ideology and economics and how newspapers are an agency for that. The second thing the findings have shown us is what we would call hidden history. History that has been forgotten, particularly the role of women and how newspapers represent that and how women themselves can use newspapers and did at the time. There have been several spin-offs. Firstly, I produced a monograph which the ESRC, the funders, had not anticipated. The monograph draws together the bigger issues of gendered cultural citizenship and newspapers, and it draws together the findings with other findings in other countries and other aspects, such as the suffragettes in Britain. It's also given us a working relationship with Macquarie University in Australia, and it also enabled me to develop ideas that I had first started with the British Academy and a small grant previously in relation to France and England, take them to a colonial context in France and England and a different period of history, a later period of history, and so to develop a longer term examination of the themes of women in newspapers and citizenship, or cultural, gendered cultural citizenship. It's enabled me to develop new grant proposals in different ways and to provide a longitudinal study that the funders had not anticipated because of the thread of a number of different grants on different aspects.